Good morning, guys. So it's Monday morning. It's supposed to rain all day, and I mean all day. It's actually sprinkling right now. I planned on working on some video editing, some stuff in the garage today, but my sister messaged me last night and gave me a lead on a bunch of free firewood already cut up and cut down. So appreciate that, sis. So we're gonna go check it out. It's not too far from the house here. My understanding is it's probably like a white pine or some kind of pine. Now for most people around here, they won't even take the time to go pick that up. But I have a Dockle wood burning furnace that we actually have outside in a building, and the air is plumbed in under my house and up. So as long as I'm getting up there and cleaning that pipe out, then there shouldn't be a problem. Mind you, I'm not gonna burn this wood this year. It's going to be next year. So it also has time to dry out some, and that'll help with the sap and the creosote. I already did this probably 2 months ago with sycamore and hauled for like 2 days straight. So we'll see how big this one is, but you can never pass up free wood. Let's get it. So you can see I've started unloading this load here. I picked it up there. I've got some pictures I'll have put in. I'm not going to take any video there. I don't have permission to film there, but you'll be able to see me bringing the loads back here and dumping them off. This load doesn't look very full because half of it's already on the ground, but that's a good amount. There's a lot of loads down there, guys, and there's some that are huge. I mean, it is pine, so it's not as heavy, so we'll just have to see if I can lift them. If not, I may have to call one of my boys or wait till Missy gets home. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Got to get this wood home. Free firewood, you got to grab it. Well, guys, it's raining. Not sprinkling, it's raining now. So, load 3. Time to unload. Go inside, we'll get a little bite to eat, something to drink. Hopefully this passes. We can go back and start getting more loads. It's gonna be a long day. So I just ate a light lunch, had some broccoli, some brown rice, and some chicken that I had meal prepped. I knew I was going to be busy this week, I just didn't know this was going to come up. It's still raining and it doesn't seem that it's going to stop, so I'm just going to keep working through it. I'm going to do my best to do what camera work I can, but since I'm using the external microphone, the GoPro's not waterproof, so we'll do what we can do, we'll get what we can do. I'm probably not going to be able to get all this wood home today, so this is going to span this video over 2 days more than likely. And I'm starting a different job hauling some stuff home soon too, so yeah. You guys are going to be coming along with me for a lot of hauling this week. Let's hope this old truck can make it through it, and then she goes in the shop. Alright guys, so it is just pouring. We're on load 6 here. I'm about to go unload it and then I'm going to take me a break because it is just pouring. I'm going to have a cup of coffee, check the weather, see if it's going to pass us. I'd really like to get 2 more loads today. That'd get me to 8 minimum. I don't think that's quite halfway, but it'd be close. So as you can see back there, I got to unload this truck full. And then I'll be moving on to taking a break, and hopefully I'll get back with you guys on load 7 and 8 later today. Alright guys, it's day 2. It ended up pouring down the entire rest of the day all the way to like 9 o'clock at night, so it's going to be even muddier today. But let's get down here and start grabbing some loads, see how many we can get home today. So most of this stuff here in the front is the pine I've been picking up. I actually have about 3 or 4 more loads easy to pick up before I'm done. But I think you got the idea of how massive this pickup was. Obviously this is the stuff we did before the sycamore. And then some more pine down there. I don't know if you can see, there's a pile right by the road and a bunch of piles there of other stuff that was down there. Some elm and some other stuff. But yeah, this here is what we brought home. Now I'm going to go get the rest of it. I'm not going to make you guys watch all that. And then basically I'll be living by that splitter there. And then the smaller stuff, which there's not much in the pine. It's mostly over here in the sycamore. I'll cut all this up with the chop saw up there at the house and put it straight into the building. So appreciate you guys coming along and watching. These opportunities come up, you got to jump on them. This is not the best wood in the world, but I'll burn it. It won't hurt our wood burner any, and it burns hot. So until next time, we'll see ya.